Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
You're mean one. You really are a hero.
Come Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
let's go now.
Hi, I'm Abigail Crumpton, and today's day is December 3rd, Friday the 13th, 2019.
And my name is Christian Hayes.
Track and field athletes need to swing by Miss Moore's room before the Friday to pick up a packet for the upcoming season.
The FHS Miss Sweetheart pageant will be February 1st. Registration packets will be sent home with K through 8 grades this week. 9 through 12 packets are available in the office or outside Miss Terry's door.
A thankful heart is a happy heart. Show your thankfulness to a friend or fellow student today.
Now let's swing it on over to Colton with weather.
Hi, my name is Colton McMinn, and the high today is 53, and the low is 48. And we have 70% chance of rain. Thank you for watching, and bye.
Hello, my name is Jay Guy, and I welcome you to Meet the Top Candidates. Due to the amount of candidates running, I'm doing the top 2 candidates, one from each party. In total, there is 18 candidates running, 3 Republican and 15 Democratic. The number 1 Democratic candidate is Joe Biden. He was a former vice president and is now running in 2020. He believes Donald Trump is not a worthy candidate for the 2020 election and strongly opposes him. His philosophy on the 2020 election, and I quote, "If we give Donald Trump 8 years in the White House, he will forever and fundamentally alter the character of this nation." He is strongly supportive of gun control and the fight on drugs. He is best known for his high appraisal during the Obama era when Barack Obama was president, and is liked by most Democrats. The number 1 candidate for Republicans is Donald Trump, who is the current president of the United States. Donald Trump is running again for a second term in 2020. Donald Trump is best known for his campaign slogan, "Make America Great Again," and for building a wall on the southern border. He is for free gun control and trying to get America out of debt. Mr. Trump also made a sweeping tax cut in 2016 that benefited wealthy investors and corporations. Every other candidate in the 2020 election is strongly opposing Mr. Trump, even Republicans. His approval rating among Republicans is high, above 90%. Thank you for watching.